Prospectus is arranged into 30 themes. There are 5 per year group from years 1 to 6, with some foundation stage units being developed in the future. There is an additional whole school unit which is topical and links to a global or national event which provides that 6th theme. So if schools want to teach half-termly, then that enables them to do so, or they can pick from key units to do termly topics. This year our whole school theme is the Great War, and it's all different aspects of World War I, linking to Key Stage 1 where they're learning about rewards and remembrance and finding out about where poppies come from and the meaning behind the poppy as a symbol, to making medals and finding out about how they would like to be remembered. In lower Key Stage 2 they're looking at a different aspect of World War I, and they're thinking about the home front and how life changed for children living in Britain. In upper Key Stage 2, they're going to be thinking about what life was like in the trenches in World War I, and looking at the role of women in the trenches and reading some key texts like War Horse. In addition, we have, as part of the 30 themes, we ensure that we cover that chronological section for history. So we start in year 3 with some of those chronological units, looking at the Iron and Stone and Bronze Age. In our unit Meet the Flintstones, moving into year 4 where we learn about Roman rule and the impact that the Romans had on Britain, moving into year 5 where we learn about invaders and some of the invaders and how they shaped the country, and then finally leading up to year 6 for our theme Rule Britannia, which is all about the Saxon fight for the throne, the Battle of Hastings, and incorporating the Bayeux Tapestry. In addition to the chronological units, we have some additional history-based units, such as Crime and Punishment, which is a thematic unit which explores the history of crime and punishment throughout the ages. We also have other units, such as Britain at Play, which looks at the history of sport and leisure over the 20th century. Some of the units for geography include Poles Apart in year 1, which is a study of different hot and cold countries, a study of a contrasting locality as part of our Indian Spice unit in year 2. Year 3 look at extreme survival, finding out about how people have survived in lots of different habitats around the world. We look at issues of food and farming and sustainability as part of our World Kitchen topic in year 4. In year 5 we find out about rivers and coasts in our Wild Water topic, and we learn about the formation of volcanoes and earthquakes as part of our disaster topic. Within other subjects, we have Out of This World in year 6, which provides fantastic science links, and also Yes Minister, which is a transition project going into year 7, looking at key aspects of citizenship and Parliament, and would be a fantastic stimulus for a trip to the House of Commons or to look at local politics in the area.